Not doing it. Yep.
Would she come out and like start pecking that?
She didn't last time, did it?
Yeah,
She
what's
might
that?
do. Video down a scratch about that. See what you're up to later. Playing the Great Escape, aren't you? Digging a hole at the back.
I'm getting out of here!
Through that wall, he's always got the bedroom window open. I can get up there on the boat door. Fucking jump out.
Come on, chicken! 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 There's a poster.
Probably would have jumped out the kitchen window. Left it coming here eating dinner and she went quiet. I thought, that's not right. I'm quiet for 2 minutes now. But she jumped out the window. Fucking hell. She's never done it since. I can see her on the screen.
A Shawshank Redemption. You've got there's a poster in the back of the wall.
Little fucking rocket girl, little saw there.
And you'll get annoyed and you'll close him and he'll go to it.
I'll tell you something, I bet if I put